Hi, this is Karen Elizabeth, and I have a little tip for you. For all of you who do blogging, you can take your posts now on Facebook and place them in your blog as an embedded post. So I want to show you how simple it is to do this. And I'm using one of my recent podcasts that I created on Mixcloud called The Top 7 Secrets to Overcoming Failure in Commitments. Now what I'm going to do is you're going to look up here on the right where you generally edit or highlight or pin the post. And at the top of that, it will show you at the very bottom here to embed the post. Now one thing I will tell you, you have to make sure that this post is public in order to do this. And that is where you find that. If your post is not public, it may be any of these, okay? Right, we want to click the one that says public so that we make sure that the post is public first. Then what you do is you go here and you go to Embed Post. Now what this is going to do is it's going to bring up a code for you of the whole post. And you take that embed code, copy it. This is a preview of what the post will look like on your website. Okay, and what's good about this is people can actually comment and like it right from your website. Now, one additional thing, if you use a Weber or something like that, I have my posts. Any post that I create actually goes right out to my whole list. Now, so this is a way for me now to post my content or anybody else's content into a post on my website to be able to share with my list. You see the power of this. You can post a good article, you can post whatever, and if you have created what's called a blog broadcast, all of your blog posts will be broadcast to your list. So think about that, and that's what I wanted to share. So now what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this, and we're going to go over to my website, and I'll show you here where I have created a name for the post. I put 2 posts in here. You can put as many as you want. The one thing that I notice is the my keyword and so forth is not going to be, I mean, you probably could add all that and make it even more if you want to change it. Remember to stay in text because the text view is different than the visual view. The visual view, of course, is going to show you the 2 posts from that's not coming up here, but it doesn't matter. You just want to make sure that you're in text so that you can put your embed codes here. So if you see a great poster with some link to an article that you would like to share with your list that you have, you will be able to do that. Isn't it wonderful? So now once you've done that, now you can go and you can preview. You can preview it. Oh, actually, let me just go to view it, and I'll show you what it looks like quickly, and then that'll be it. It's very simple to do. Of course, you want to do your tags and whatnot for that. So this is actually what the post will look like. This is my website. So now what I had done was originally I had put a coming soon. So this was my first Facebook post, and then this is my second one. So you could put a series on one page if you want to, and then they'll all go out to your list. So just imagine this. If you had like several posters, if you wanted to share Pinterest posts or whatever, with this you can use the Facebook link, the embed code from the post, and create it right into a blog post. I use Mixcloud for my audio messages, and now instead of me having to take my Mixcloud messages and bring them over and create a separate post, I can just post them right to Facebook and then grab the embed code and put it on my website. Now, of course, again, the SEO is not going to be the same, but you will at least have that post that could go out in a blog broadcast to your list. So I hope this has helped you. This is Karen Elizabeth, and I'm going to go back over here to Facebook, And once I grab my embed code, I could just close this. And we're back to the Facebook post. And you can do this as many times as you want. This is a great new thing that Facebook has done for us. And we could do this with our fan page and wherever we see that embed. And it's right up here. Two things to remember: embed the post, that's where you're going to get the code. And then the other one is make sure that it's a public post before you go ahead and share it with your on your website. Okay, well that's it. Have an awesome day.